Alrighty guys, welcome back. Okay, so now that we have successfully installed our Google Analytics tracking code, let's go ahead and log into Google Analytics. So I'm just going to go to Google. I'm going to Google Analytics. Just pick it up from there. And go ahead and log in. And I'm going to blur. Okay, I'm already logged in. Okay, it had my cookies set. So don't freak out either, because it doesn't start registering your traffic, I think, until about like 6 or 7 hours. I might be a couple hours off, but it doesn't just start happening. It just doesn't instantly happen. But in this video, I just want to go ahead and take you through the dashboard. And one of my clients that I maintain, I do their web maintenance, is the perfect field. So I just want to go ahead and pull up their dashboard and see what we're dealing with. And this is for the month of February 15th, 2003 till March 7th, 2013. 2013. I can't talk right now. But what I want to talk about, first thing I want to talk about is this changes from time to time. Google always kind of shuffles around their dashboards, whether it's YouTube or Google Analytics or AdSense. Sometimes you go to YouTube or Analytics and it's the dashboard, the user interface is different from what it was the previous day. So I apologize beforehand if you're looking at this video in 2017 and it's way different than this, but I can't really adjust that. I just need to kind of go with this example. But what I want to talk about in this video is just kind of a general, just kind of overview of the dashboard. We've got our audience up here. I'll jump down to real time. This is so you can see who's on your website right now. And he has nobody on his website right now. That's not good. It's not bad. It's not bad. But nobody's on his website right now. And if there were somebody on their website, you would see them show up. There'd be little green dots all over the world map. And let's keep going. Okay, someone wants to text me while I'm doing video tutorials. Traffic sources. This is big. Let's go ahead and click on traffic sources down here. I apologize. Now, there's 3 types of traffic sources. There's search traffic, and that's if you Google something, say like San Diego ice cream, and you click on a website from there, that gets tallied as search traffic. Referral traffic is when you come from like a Facebook page or maybe a Twitter page or Instagram or Google AdWords. You'll just come from, well, Google AdWords is a totally different monster, but if you come from like a Facebook or a social media page, maybe YouTube. And direct traffic is when somebody types in your domain just right here to the URL. So if they type in www.yoursite.com. So that's the 3 way you get traffic. So you either search it on a search engine and they click on your site and it goes towards this percentage. Referral traffic, again, this comes from Facebook, social media, Twitter, yada yada. And direct traffic. So here's where we're going to set up our goals. Here's what people have typed to get into this site. So we're on the perfect field site. This is another client that I take care of that paints artificial fields in the Southern California region, I guess. I'm not really sure. So this is what people search on Google to come across their page. The perfect field, that's what they're called. So that's kind of a common thing for someone to search on Google if they're looking for you, is just your domain. So in the last month, they got 19 hits from that. Just the perfect field, they got 7. And this is all search traffic right here. Just keep in mind, because this is what people are searching on. This is what people are Googling, and then they find this website, the perfect field up here, and then they click on it. So here's just the general kind of user interface overview. We could track today's hits. Let's see how they did today, March 18th, 2013 to March 18th, 2013. And they got 8 hits today. So they got no referral traffic. They got 5 people that searched them on Google and 3 people that typed their name or their domain just right in here into the URL. And this is what the 5 people searched. They searched not provided, and I'll talk to you about that in the next video or maybe videos to come. And field string real and painting on grass field. What would you consider the perfect field trip? So, okay, we bounced around. So here's the general just kind of overview of Google Analytics. And in the next videos, we'll get into more of these dashboards and shortcuts and all this stuff you see on the left-hand side. So good luck with this. Hopefully this made sense. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.